Taking a live look now at the U.S. Supreme Court as justices seem poised to back former President Donald Trump and fend off a blockbuster challenge to his 2024 ballot eligibility. Now, this case is the most significant elections matter the justices have been forced to confront since the Bush versus Gore decision in 2000, effectively handing that presidency to George W. Bush. Rebecca Castor is in the nation's capital and has the latest.
Donald Trump and Colorado voters who won him off the presidential ballot had their day in court, the nation's most powerful for that matter.
I thought it's a very beautiful process.
The court's 9 justices now deciding whether to uphold or overturn a Colorado court's ruling barring Trump from the ballot over insurrection claims. An effort spearheaded by 91-year-old Norma Anderson, a former Colorado state senator and lifelong Republican.
I've gone through a lot of presidents, and this is the first one that is trying to destroy the Constitution.
But during public arguments before the Supreme Court, the justices seemed wary of allowing one state to determine a national election.
What's a state doing deciding who other citizens get to vote for president?
Colorado is not deciding who other states get to vote for president. It's deciding how to assign its own electors under its Article 2 power.
Trump is facing ballot challenges in more than a dozen states, with Super Tuesday and Colorado's primary less than a month away. That's why the Supreme Court's decision will likely come quickly, in either days or weeks.
I think if you ask the people of Colorado, the consensus of those people would be, we can be trusted to elect whoever we want to elect.
The justices spent almost no time debating whether Trump actually did engage in insurrection on January 6th. Trump has repeatedly said he was not trying to incite violence before the Capitol riot and that his speech was protected by the First Amendment. From the Supreme Court, Rebecca Castor, Fox 32 Chicago.